am going to be answering the most asked questions about vitamin C. Question 1. What does vitamin C do for the skin? Prevents various skin aging factors in your daily life, especially UVA rays that produce free radicals that cause aging. Because vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, it prevents the skin from oxidizing, which causes aging and damage. Collagen is a protein that tissues the skin, and it consists of 90% of the skin's dermis. However, as you age, collagen production decreases and wrinkles are formed. Vitamin C promotes collagen synthesis, which improves the elasticity of the skin. Vitamin C suppresses melanin production, which prevents freckles and blemishes and also fades acne scars. Vitamin C dissolves the old dead skin cells on the skin's surface, which helps improve dull skin tone and makes your skin look more even and bright. Question 2. How do I use a vitamin C serum? Vitamin C is really helpful for the skin, but it's a little tricky to use. I'll tell you how to use vitamin C the right way. 1. Do not mix with. AHA, BHA, and vitamin C are all types of acids, so if you use these together, it can be irritating on the skin. Try to avoid using AHA and BHA with vitamin C. Retinol and vitamin C combined can cause irritation and peeling of the skin. If you want to use these two ingredients together, try using one in the morning and one at night. Benzoyl peroxide reduces acne-causing bacteria, but at the same time, it oxidizes vitamin C, making vitamin C ineffective. Now, there are ingredients that also work better when used together. I'll explain more in the third question. 2. Apply SPF. Vitamin C applied in the morning can prevent skin damage from UV rays or other external activities. However, you must apply sunscreen to prevent the oxidation of pure vitamin C, which is sensitive to light and heat. 3. Store away from heat. Vitamin C is easily oxidized by air, light, and heat. It's okay if it turns a little yellow after a month or two, but a completely discolored vitamin C product won't work. It is recommended to store in a cool place away from light or keep it refrigerated and used consistently for 2 months. Question 3. What should I look for in a vitamin C serum? 1. L-ascorbic acid. Check to see if the vitamin C serum contains L-ascorbic acid, which is pure vitamin C. There are also other vitamin C serums that combine other derivatives of L-ascorbic acid, such as Ascorbyl glucoside. Products that contain derivatives have lower absorption rates than pure vitamin C, but they're less irritating and more stable. 2. Vitamin C concentration. It is important to choose the best concentration of vitamin C that works for your skin. Usually, a concentration between 15% and 20% is effective. However, if you have sensitive skin, I recommend starting with a low concentration product. If you want to use a high concentration product, I recommend using 1 to 2 drops to start and then gradually increase the amount. 3. Better when mixed with. Vitamin E helps absorb vitamin C, while using them together helps improve the effects of vitamin E, which are antioxidizing and skin regeneration. Also, when the two ingredients are used together, the skin's protection effects against UV rays are doubled. Coenzyme Q10 is an oil-soluble antioxidizing ingredient, and when used with vitamin C, the skin's protection effects are increased. I think that I've answered most of your questions about vitamin C by answering these 3 questions. But go watch these other vitamin C related videos if you want to know even more.